Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at what is called a golden dewdrop. And this was planted a while ago. If we want to take a real close-up look, this is the stem, like what you see down here. It will eventually grow out and start to bark up, and it grows its berries. It grows a very beautiful flower and drops down. It attracts butterflies and all. Don't eat the berries, they're poisonous. And you can see how it flowers right here. Look at that flower as they grow. So those berries, they do come out to be flowers, and there's a whole bunch of orange berries. It attracts just about everything you can imagine. Now, I thought that was a salamander, but it wasn't. It was just a string. Beautiful flowers, beautiful plant. Now, how tall does it grow? Or how wide does it grow? It all depends where you have it. Gonna grow a lot of flowers. Now, let's take a look in the one in the back that was planted about 3 months ago. There's a dragonfly on the plant. And the dragonfly is pollinating the flower. Can we catch a dragonfly? It'd probably fly off before you could imagine. I could have caught it, but I didn't. So there's the dragonfly again, off it goes. As time goes along, this is months later, about 3 months already planted. You can see all the new growth, just like the one in the front. And nice and wide, it starts to grow out. Now it gets its flowers and starts to drop down from the berries. I have a cutting inside that I made. I simply grabbed the stem and I started to grow my own. This will get sun just another hour. It'll start to come out and the sun will be on it all day. The one thing you need to do is secure it with some poles so it doesn't lean over. The golden dewdrop sells for about $20 to $30. You don't need a big one. It's a fast growing plant. The harvest zone, the zone, I think it's about a 6 to an 8. You won't be able to bring this back in the wintry areas. If you do, you have to bring it inside. And that's what we're going to be trying to do. See if we can grow it inside. This is just amazing right here. All the new growth out of nowhere. I hope this video was entertaining and enjoyable of the dewdrop, the geisha girl, the golden sapphire dewdrop. Let me just show you one other plant in the Duranta family, because all these are Durantas. This is a Cuban gold. The Cuban gold doesn't like a ton of water and it will turn black. This was planted about 5 months ago, 4 months ago. It's finally growing up, being nice and tall. In another year, this will really fill out. Try not to cut it, let it grow. And this is what's in the front of the landscape as you saw in the distance. Thank you very much for stopping by. Appreciate your time. Have a great time gardening and planting.